What is the SRC folder?
The SRC folder stands for Source. It's a common directory used in software projects to store all source code files. By separating the source code from build artifacts and configuration files, the SRC folder helps keep your project structure clear, making it easier for you and your team to find, update, and manage code.
Why use a SRC folder?
Using a SRC folder improves project organization. It clearly distinguishes your application's actual code from other files, such as documentation or tests. This separation reduces confusion, helps with team collaboration, and aligns with industry best practices. Projects that use a SRC folder are generally easier to navigate and maintain, especially as they grow in size and complexity.
A common project layout.
A typical project might have folders like SRC, Tests, and Docs. The SRC folder houses your main code, while Tests contains unit and integration tests, and Docs stores documentation. This layout makes everything easy to find. The build or output files, such as those in a dist or build folder, are usually kept separate from source code.
How to structure code inside SRC.
Inside the circ folder, you can organize your code by feature, function, or type. For example, you might have separate folders for components, services, and utilities. Good structure within circ helps you locate and update code quickly. Consistent organization reduces errors and makes onboarding new contributors smoother.
Enhancing maintainability and scalability.
A well-organized SRC folder makes maintenance easier. When new features or fixes are needed, developers can quickly find the right files. As projects scale, good structure in SRC prevents clutter and confusion. Adopting this approach helps your codebase grow in a sustainable and manageable way.